Hey people, today right now it is 7:15 as I'm recording this, and basically this morning I woke up at 5 because I'm like all set to catch this train to go to the Isha Yoga Ashram in Coimbatore. Oh my god, this is like, I don't know, yeah, it's like a divine plan that happened because I very rarely travel without my child. I always like to take my kid along wherever I'm going, but this worked out in terms of Wednesday. Today's a Wednesday, and then I'll be back on Saturday. So then I'll be there in the weekend to be with my kid, and this is Mahashivratri time, so I'm able to go. So I just really feel that this is in divine order. So I'm so excited about this. It's almost a 1 minute video, but I'll do a recording once I am in the train. Also, hopefully, yeah. And I'm going with this whole group of people, so I'll do a recording then. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.